Welcome to Review Lab. The best LEGO City Road is probably one of the most versatile and engaging additions to any LEGO City collection, offering endless possibilities for creative building and imaginative play as it allows young builders to construct realistic road networks, complete with intersections, traffic lights, and pedestrian crossings, transforming their LEGO creations into bustling urban landscapes where stories of everyday life can unfold with incredible detail and interactive fun. Number 5. LEGO Creator Expert Bookshop 10270. Step into a world of creativity with this advanced LEGO Creator Expert set. It's a charming bookshop with an adjoining townhouse, filled with delightful details for builders of all ages. This impressive 3-story model boasts a display window, bookshelves, and cozy living spaces. It comes with 5 minifigures to bring your creation to life. Expand your collection with this piece from the ever-growing modular building series. Combine it with other sets to create your own unique street scenes. With 2,504 pieces, this set is an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a rewarding building experience for teens and adults alike. Standing over 11 inches tall, this buildable model is a stunning display piece. It looks fantastic on its own or as part of a larger street scene. What we like. This set offers a highly detailed and engaging building experience with its modular design. It's perfect for adult collectors who appreciate intricate displays. If you enjoy detailed architecture and want a sophisticated addition to your collection, this is the one for you. What people say. The LEGO City Road plates are a great addition to any LEGO City build, providing a realistic road surface for vehicles to drive on. These road plates are compatible with other LEGO City sets, allowing for seamless integration and expansion of existing layouts. The interlocking design of the road plates makes them easy to connect and arrange, creating custom road networks for various scenarios. Number 4. Classic Road Base Plate City Street Straight Road Building Kit. Unlock endless possibilities for your building sets. These plates are designed to fit perfectly with your existing classic bricks, allowing you to expand your cityscapes further than ever before. Each of the 4 plates in this set measures a substantial 10 inches square, providing ample space for your most ambitious creations. That's 32 by 32 studs of pure building potential. These road building plates aren't just for kids. They foster a world of imagination and creativity, perfect for builders of all ages to construct and design. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic, you can be confident in the durability and safety of these baseplates. Build with peace of mind, knowing you're using a reliable product. Imagine building a bustling city, a charming town, or a dynamic raceway. With these versatile baseplates, you can create any scene you can dream up, complete with streets, cars, and people. Don't worry about compatibility. These plates are designed to work seamlessly with all major building brick brands, ensuring your creations fit together perfectly. What we like. These base plates provide a versatile foundation for any brick-built city. Their universal compatibility means they work with all major brands, offering endless creative possibilities. If you're looking to expand your existing cityscapes or start a new one, these are an excellent choice. What people say. This is a great addition to LEGO City. The road plates are a fantastic way to expand your LEGO City. They are very versatile and can be used in many different ways. Number 3. LEGO City Wildlife Rescue Camp 60307. Get ready for an exciting adventure with the LEGO City Wildlife Rescue Camp. This set is perfect for kids aged 6 and up who love animals and imaginative play. Join Sleet from LEGO City Adventures TV and a cast of inspiring characters. You'll also find a variety of amazing animal figures, including elephants, lions, and monkeys. Construct a fantastic treehouse camp, a mobile research lab, and various vehicles like a motorbike and an ultralight. It's packed with cool features for endless role-playing fun. This building set offers hours of entertainment with its detailed design and engaging animal figures. Create your own thrilling wildlife rescue stories. Looking for a great gift? This set makes a fantastic birthday present or surprise for any occasion. Expand the adventure by combining it with other LEGO City wildlife sets. Once built, the Wildlife Rescue Treehouse Camp stands impressively tall. It's over 6.5 inches high, making it a great centerpiece for your Lego city. What we like. This set is packed with a variety of animals and engaging characters for exciting roleplay adventures. It's ideal for young children who love animals and storytelling. If your child enjoys imaginative play centered around wildlife conservation, this set will be a huge hit. What people say. The Lego City road plates are a fantastic addition to any Lego City build, allowing for realistic road layouts. These road plates connect seamlessly with other Lego City elements, creating a cohesive and expansive play experience. The textured surface of the road plates adds a nice touch of realism, perfect for simulating traffic and vehicle movement. Number 2. Lego City Shopping Street 60306 Building Kit. Discover the vibrant Lego City Shopping Street, a premium playset designed for endless imaginative adventures. It's packed with exciting details for kids to explore. This set includes detailed buildings, cool vehicles, and fun characters with accessories. You'll find everything needed to build a bustling city scene. Connect it with other Lego playsets using the included road plates to expand your city. Build it your way and create your own unique urban landscape. It's filled with realistic features that inspire imaginative play. From the toy bakery to the sports car, there's so much to discover and enjoy. This high-quality building set makes an impressive gift for any occasion. It's perfect for boys and girls aged 6 and up who love to build and play. Once built, this amazing model measures over 5 inches high, 16 inches wide, and 11 inches deep. It's a substantial addition to any Lego collection. What we like. This playset features a realistic shopping street with detailed buildings and vehicles, encouraging imaginative play. It's designed to connect with other Lego City sets, allowing for city expansion. If you want to create a bustling urban environment for your minifigures, this set is a fantastic starting point. What people say. This set is a great addition to any Lego City. The road plates are flexible and can be used in many different configurations. It includes various accessories like traffic lights and street signs, which add to the realism. Number 1. Lego City Straight and T-Junction 60236. Connect straight and T-Junction plates to extend your Lego City sets even further. These versatile road plates are designed to enhance your building experience. Each straight and T-Junction road plate measures an impressive 9 inches square. This provides ample space for creating expansive and detailed city layouts. This set includes 2 pieces and is ideal for boys and girls aged 5 and up. It's a great addition for fans of construction toys and kids of all ages. This baseplate set is designed for seamless integration. You can build it together with all other original Lego building toy sets and bricks for limitless creative building. Let your imagination run wild as you connect these road plates. They are the perfect foundation for constructing the city of your dreams. What we like. These road plates are perfect for extending your Lego City road networks with ease. Their simple connection system allows for quick and creative city layout changes. If you need to add more roads or junctions to your existing Lego City, these pieces are essential. What people say. The Lego City road plates are a fantastic addition to any Lego City build, providing a realistic and versatile base for roads. These road plates are compatible with all Lego City vehicles and accessories, allowing for seamless integration into existing Lego collections. The interlocking design of the road plates makes it easy to create custom road layouts, from simple streets to complex intersections. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.